Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages from the previous week. But anyways, really quick before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And also make sure that you do hit that bell notification so you are notified as soon as I upload. I know sometimes YouTube can be kind of glitchy, so yeah, make sure that you click that bell. And I'm excited to unbox these packages, so let's go ahead and get started. Another thing I wanted to say really quick is that I did not upload a mail haul Monday last week due to the fact that I actually sold my computer and we bought a new one and it was in the process of being shipped. So the videos that you guys saw last week were actually already pre-filmed and edited, so sorry about that. That just means that this week's mail haul is a little bit bigger than the other one, so yeah, let's dive on in. Okay, so this is going to be the very first package, and this actually came from Poke PR, and anytime I see a package from Poke PR, I'm always too excited and I have to open it like right then and there. So you guys, I'm so freaking excited about this. So here's what the package looks like. Okay, so if you guys watch my skincare video, like my skincare favorites for 2017, one of the products I'm pretty sure I mentioned in there is the Glow Pro micro needling tool for your face. It basically is supposed to, like, I guess, puncture your skin and create more collagen and like just help tighten and firm your skin. They came out with one that is for your lips. It is a lip edition. And first off, can we just talk about how cute this packaging is? It is so freaking cute. It has little lips all over it. And this is the Glow Pro Lip Edition. It is a micro needling regeneration tool. And I'm very excited to do like some before and afters for you guys. So it says the Glow Pro's patented next gen advancements stimulate the skin and transform your complexion surface while amplifying absorption and enhancing the performance of your skincare. So it says in 30 days, 100% felt Glow Pro helped stimulate their skin's natural collagen. It was simple to use, improved the skin's firmness, the skin looked younger. So I'm pretty sure from what I saw online, this is actually supposed to like boost, not really boost, but like firm and like plump your lips. So hopefully this means people can get less lip fillers and use more products like this. Let's see if we can open it up. The one that I use for my face, you can just tell that the products sink in better like after you use it on your skin and then use your skincare products after. Oh, and also not to mention they sent over this gigantic Hershey Kiss. So thank y'all so much. I love chocolate. We all know that. So, ooh, all right, let's take this out. And I love, love, love that it came with like this little stand. That way if you guys have it, you can like display it nice and cute on your vanity. And then basically what you do is you just take this cap off. And it also came with like another one. I guess this is like a second one that you can use for it. And then when you turn it on, the one that I have, you're just supposed to roll different ways, but you just basically go over your lips with it. And it has these little teeny micro needles in it. So I'm so freaking pumped to use this. Thank you so much to Annabelle and the Poke PR team for sending this over for me to try out. They're just the sweetest. And I'm so excited to use this. So thank y'all so much. And I also love the little display thing that it comes with too. Okay, here's the next package. And this is from Urban Decay. Ooh. Okay, so this says UD Disco Queen. And here's what the box looks like. So basically it says the Disco Queen collection. Create a glow that's holographic or straight up psychedelic. And you have a holographic with a pink blue shift and then an iridescent lavender. So it's 2 different highlights that they just came out with. And it says get lit with this high watt holographic highlighter. So here's what the 2 look like. First off, you have one that is in a stick form and then you have one that is in just like a pan form. So let's swatch this one first. Obviously it's super beautiful and it's a really pretty like purpley shade. Ooh, okay, so there's what it looks like on the finger. Hopefully you guys can see that. It just has like a really pretty like purple shift. Super pretty. Almost want to like have quite a bit of highlighter on today, but you guys know how I do sometimes. Okay, then the next thing we have is the holographic disco stick. Honestly, it looks like mine got kind of like bitten on the side. Okay, so honestly to me, these look almost the exact same. Except, of course, one is in a stick form, one is in a... No, this one definitely has more blue in it. I feel like it didn't show up, like, as great. Like, when you first swatched it, I had to do a couple, like, back and forths for that one. But yeah, there, those two swatched. Really pretty, definitely unique highlighters. And yeah, thank you so much to Urban Decay for this package. I'm gonna have to do some trying on. I redid all of my makeup collection this weekend, so that video will definitely be coming soon. And I also organized it where when I get new packages, I'm going to put it in like a certain section. That way we make sure to do like try on and first impression type videos, so I'll have everything that I like haven't tested out set aside. That way I'll be committed to doing the tutorials for you guys. So all right, so again, thank you so much to Urban Decay for that package. Okay, very next package came from Too Faced, and they sent over this cute little package that says Too Faced a White Peach. So when you open it up, they sent over a couple different things. So the first thing we have is their shadow insurance, and this is going to be an eyeshadow primer. And then we have the White Peach palette. And then they also sent over the Better Than Sex mascara, which you guys know is one of my favorite mascaras. Okay, so this is the new Too Faced White Peach palette. I really want to try this out for myself because I've heard a lot of like different mixed reviews. I did actually use the, I don't know if it's called the Sweet Peach, but you know, the other palette that they came out with, it's a peach palette. So anyways, let's swatch this and let's see what it looks like on the fingers. Of course, you know, you can't always tell how great it is by the swatches, but okay, there's the first row. That looks pretty promising. The white shade I actually really like because it's a really nice brow bone highlight shade. That actually looks pretty good too. Okay, there's that. I mean, so far this actually looks pretty nice. Okay, so there is the first row swatched. I mean, they don't seem to be like too powdery, so we shall see. Let's do the next row. I mean, I will say the Glisten Peach, it doesn't look like it would be really easy to apply. I mean, these do feel kind of creamy. Okay, so there are those four. Yeah, see that one, see, that was the one that I was the most excited about, and I feel like it didn't swatch very well, but we'll have to try it out. That one looks really pretty, and these like are very light shades, so there's that row. All right, let's swatch the very last row. Yeah, the shimmer shades in this just kind of don't feel that great. So there's the last row, and that has two shimmer shades on it. Yeah, the shimmer shades, they don't look very good. Okay, so there's the very last row. I mean, to me, the last row like looks like a total pass, but we will just, again, have to see whenever I apply them on the eyes. So expect this probably in a upcoming first impressions video. I think the reviews on Sephora aren't very good on it, so we shall see how it goes. But I mean, off of like the first swatches, the mattes do feel like they would perform pretty nice, but we'll have to see how it goes on the eyes. So again, that is the White Peach palette, and thank you so much to Too Faced for that package. Okay, the next package we have came from Smashbox, and again, I did kind of already open some of these, but this is the new Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. And here's the little box that they sent it over in. I am so excited about this. You guys know I haven't really been wearing false lashes, so I'm always down for new mascaras. So they actually came out with two different things. They have an eyeliner, and then they also have the mascara. And here's the little package up close. So it says, your eyes are so fly, new Superfan Mascara. It is a 12-hour volume, length and lift. No clumping, smudging, or flaking. So yeah, really excited. 24-hour. And then also they have a new liquid liner that is 24-hour and waterproof. Easy to hold. Liner pen draws thin, precise, or dramatic winged outlines. So I'm excited. Let's swatch this eyeliner. So it basically, to me, looks like a little pen. I cannot think of the word I'm trying to say. You know when people write the really cool lettering and it starts with a C? I cannot think of the word. You guys hopefully know what I'm talking about, but that's the kind of pen that it looks like. It has a 6-month expiration on it. That's just the first thing that I noticed. Here's what the pen looks like. Ooh, that actually look, oh, I obviously have some leftover Too Faced eyeshadow, but that actually looks really nice, just so you guys can see. I don't know if it would be super thin, because to me, I feel like, well, it could be super thin. You would have to make sure that, like, you know what you're doing, because I feel like if you laid this down like this, it could go on thicker. Look at all those lines. Okay, so we'll have to test this out again, but I like how black it is, and it looks like it's even. You know what I mean? Sometimes I feel like I've had felt tip pens where you apply them on and sometimes it gets a little bit streaky, but this looks like it's going to be super dark all the way through, which is really nice. And then of course the next thing they have is the Superfan Fanned Out Mascara in this red tube. And let's see what the applicator looks like, or the wand. So hopefully you guys can see that right there. Really excited to test this out. I've been trying also to use the lash growth serum. I can't even think of what the name is right now. It's been a long day, but hopefully my eyelashes feel like they're growing. I am not always like consistent with using it every night, but I'm trying to get better about that. Rodan & Fields, that is what I'm using. Okay, this feels like it's definitely going to be hard to get off, which can be good on one scheme of the things, but bad, I guess, whenever you're taking off your makeup. Okay, next package we have is from L'Oreal. And how do I get this package open? I feel like it's one of those boxes where it doesn't have, oh, there it is. There's the tape. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. I was trying to figure out how to get this out. Oh, this is really neat. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to ruin this pretty package, aren't I? Hopefully not. Oh, nope. So here's what it looks like. It's like a little corset lace. That is so freaking cute. I'm so upset that I'm gonna have to open this. I'm like, are you sure? There's no other way. So, oh, there we go. When you open it up, ooh. Okay, so this is X Fiber. Oh my gosh, we have another mascara. So here's what the package looks like. Looks like we have some different eyeliners and a new mascara. Did it come with a, yes. Okay, so X Fiber, no falsies and no extensions, just fibers. It says, tired of false lashes, fail, look no further, the new L'Oreal Paris X Fiber Mascara. This is a 2-step fiber system with a unique black primer that allows extreme length and volume on each lash. No falsies needed. Okay, perfect. I'm excited about this. Okay, so this looks really pretty. Okay, so here's that. I'm really pumped about mascaras. Okay, and then we have all these really pretty eyeliners. I love L'Oreal pencils. I have like some of their lip liners and I think a couple of their eyeliners too, and they're always really creamy. So the first one is the shade Gray. Oh yeah, like these almost go on like wet because they are so creamy. So creamy. Okay, then we have blue, which I've always loved a cobalt blue. So there's that one. I feel like that one isn't like as pigmented as I want it to be because again, it almost has this like wet texture when it goes on. Okay, then we have the shade Nude. Oh, thank you for coming out with a nude. Yes, this one isn't as wet looking and definitely a lot better. We have Purple Violet right there. We have brown. And then last but not least, we have a black, which to me isn't as dark as I want it to be. I mean, it's okay, but to me, it's almost, again, like a charcoal gray color. I have got to get this off of my hand. So again, here are these right there. I think my favorite is probably the nude shade because to me, it's the most pigmented. They're all pigmented, but they're just a little bit duller, I think, than what I was expecting. But I'm so excited to test these out on my eyelids and then also with the mascara. So thank you so much to L'Oreal for that package. Oh, and one thing is they don't budge. Okay, gonna have to get some more makeup wipes. Okay, next package we have came from Octoly. Ooh. Okay, so Givenchy actually sent over a perfume for me to try out. This again was sent from Octoly and I'm so super excited. So here is what the packaging looks like. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. That way I do not butcher the name on it. But the packaging is super gorgeous. It is like this almost peach shade of perfume and it has the little top right here. This also is like really pretty, kind of like decoration on your vanity. Not saying to buy it for a decoration, but as you can see, I keep some of my perfumes displayed and this one is just like so beautiful. It has a detailing of like a gold trim right here too. And let's see what it smells like. All right, so when you twist it up, here's what the cap looks like. This one is 2.5 fluid ounces. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let's see what kind of notes it has on it. I'm not great at telling you guys like this has this, this, and this in it. But, oh my gosh, I always know as soon as I like a perfume. Because for me, it's not one of those things where I feel like I can wear it throughout the day and it's going to change my mind like right away. I normally know if I'm going to like it. And I already like this one. Here we go. Gosh, it smells so good. So it says earthy and woody, the fragrance that unveils the divine within you, like a custom-made creation illuminated with thousands of golden threads. It is a refined, sensual fragrance that envelops the skin with a warm radiance and luster. So it has notes of plum and sandalwood. And oh my gosh, It just smells so good. So if you guys like go into Sephora, go to any kind of like perfume place, definitely stop by, smell this, and check it out because I absolutely love it and I cannot wait to wear it. So thank you so much to Octoly and Givenchy for that package. I am, again, so excited to keep testing this out. Okay. A couple things I am going to save for next week because I don't want this to be super duper long, but I actually ordered some Kendra Scott jewelry, and I know that you guys normally like seeing those kind of things. I know a lot of you guys have snapped me like pictures of stuff that you picked up, so I wanted to show you some of the items I recently grabbed. Here is the first package. This one actually came from Kendra Scott, and they had a 20% off sale. That's what made me splurge. Okay, I'm like trying to think of all the stuff that I ordered. Oh, okay. Okay, so I really wanted to get some gunmetal jewelry to wear. So I have these earrings already in silver and gold, and I absolutely love them. I wear them all the time, and these are the Sophie earrings. They're like the bigger style Sophie, and these are in the gunmetal style. I'll leave, like I said, all the stuff linked down below for you guys. So there is that. Okay, the next package we have, I got to match this. I'm excited about this one. So this is the gunmetal rain necklace. Oh my gosh, look how freaking beautiful this is. So the rain necklaces are my favorite. They're ones that I normally wear on like a day-to-day basis, and I normally layer them with like the Elsa necklace, which I'll show you guys next. But yeah, here is what that piece looks like. So pretty. I wear a ton of black, so I feel like this will go really well with my black outfits or really any other color. I'm just super duper excited about it. So there is that one. And then last thing that I ordered from her website, I have been needing this. Okay, so like I said, I have a lot of those rain necklaces, and then I layer them with the Elsa necklaces, I think is what they're called. Yes. So I don't have any in silver, and this one, I keep trying to zoom you guys in and it's totally not working, but basically it has like a little stone right here and it's all silver. So I thought that'd go really well with all my silver jewelry, especially like something simple like this where I just have on silver hoops. That would go really well with that. So really excited that I finally have a silver one. I feel like my collection's pretty much complete. And then the last thing I actually ordered from Nordstrom. You guys know I'm so obsessed with these big hoops. And I don't know if they just like completely sold out and Kendra took them off her site or what happened, but they're not available on her site anymore, the ones that I wanted. So I could really only find them on Nordstrom, and there was like one or two other stores. So here's the little box they sent it in. Yay! So I grabbed the rose gold ones. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. I'm like really into rose gold right now. Okay, so here's what they look like. They're just super big and like blingy hoops. Hopefully I can give you guys a close-up and you can see like the rhinestone detailing in them. Oh my gosh, they're just so gorgeous. They're seriously just so gorgeous. So I had to grab the pair. The only other pair that they have in this style is a silver, but it's an antique silver, so it's kind of like a darker silver metal, which I'm like not into. All right, so that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. Like I said, I saved a couple packages that I'll show you guys next week because I didn't want this video to be super long. I do post 3 times. Oh, I held 3, subscribe. That was not going. I always am too excited and I have to open it right then. I'm really excited to do maybe like some before and afters for you guys. Gosh, I'm so tired. It improved the evenness of their. Oh, okay. My hair looks terrible. That way we make sure to like do try-ons and hauls. Not. How do you do that? No, you're just like magic. Last lash on my eyeliners. Okay, so the next, so Givenchy. So I feel like this is going to go really well. But I love you guys so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.